You were in the 2024 Department of Energy LSO workshop.
Yeah.
That was in Austin, Texas, right?
Texas,
yeah. So how was that experience like?
Yeah, it was great. I mean, I'd never been there before, or I'd never been to Austin, Texas before. I'd never been to the DOE LSO conference before. There's about 200 people there. They're all, LSOs or know a lot about laser safety, and from a lot of different areas, universities and research institutes and so on.
And, for this year, 2026, we're actually going back to the workshop, the LSO workshop. So it's going to be in Livermore, California.
Yeah, it's in Lawrence Livermore Labs. So we're going to be there in May, and we'll be showcasing again our laser interlock systems, our CALM system, our range of beam shutters, and we're going to be showing our ICS Magellan, which is a new laser interlock system which we're just releasing right now.
Yeah. Just a last question. Actually, so we're the leaders in custom laser safety solutions, and I feel like that's a big value add for a company. Can you talk us through that?
All of our customers in the US, they're used to having to sort out their own interlock system solutions for complex laser interlock systems, and they don't necessarily realize that that's something that we do. We specialize in it. It's our bread and butter. We love complex interlock systems. That we really love it. And we do simple lab laser interlock systems all day long, but we love custom complex interlock systems. And, we love solving those issues, and we've done that over the last 20 years. We can interface to other safety systems and pretty much do whatever you want because